To be really successful on Amazon and to have a strong Amazon business that is able to grow, we need to think about who in your business is looking after these 5 key areas. So the first of it is the commercial side of Amazon. We're running businesses, we need to make money, we want to make sure that we're making profit on Amazon. Logistics. Of course, we know that Amazon isn't just a website, Amazon has a whole logistics arm, but for your business to be successful, if you are absolutely not in control of logistics, that means getting things to Amazon on time, making sure that you're in stock, all of that side, it's impossible to be successful on Amazon. It's a really, really key part, and it works in a different way to the way you might run supermarket sales, or you might be going into the on-trade, or maybe that you run your website sales. Analytics. Digital marketing, hopefully a lot of us are familiar with. Website metrics, bounce rate, all of the good things with Google. Amazon has its own rules, and the rules are different to Google's rules, and the rules are different to website rules or Facebook or whatever. So Amazon Analytics, having control of the numbers, understanding what they mean and understanding the actions that we can take from those numbers is absolutely key. Creative. We're selling on Amazon. We need emotional triggers. We're going direct to consumer. Just because we can list a lot of items on Amazon doesn't make them necessary that they're going to sell well. Just because you're lowering your price doesn't mean you're going to sell. We need to have the creative element of the product page, the images, the infographic absolutely nailed. And again, the types of images that are appropriate for Amazon aren't necessarily the types of images you might be using in Facebook ads or on your website or in other marketing material. So Amazon creative. Finally, Amazon strategy. This is key. As a business, you typically set goals. I should hope to run your business. Where are we going this quarter? Where are we going this year? For Amazon to work for you, the Amazon area of your business also needs to have goals, KPIs, things you want to achieve, and milestones to get there. Now, for an example, one of the businesses we're working with at the moment, when we started talking together, I asked them what their goals were, and they said to list 75 new SKUs a quarter. And I said to them, is that how you shape goals in the other areas of your business? Just get more stock in? Or do you shape goals around profitability or new customer acquisition or sales or what have you? And again, the same with Amazon. Amazon must be part of your broader business planning. So what I'd like you to do here is to think for a minute, how are you achieving and how are you scoring in all of these different areas?